Hey, welcome back. We have the ever-elusive RTX 3090 that you can't buy unless you're blessed by having the opportunity to win the shuffle. This one looks a bit weird because the label tape is not even very secured on this side. Just lift it like that. So this, if I can even get it all in the shot here, is a AORUS GeForce RTX 3090 XTREME one with 24 gigs of VRAM, 3 fans, a screen on it. Also comes with that little figure back there. Let's see if I can even get this in one shot, like so. That's what the sides of the box looks like. AORUS XTREME. Overall, very nice looking packaging. It does also have a carry handle, which you can, I suppose, use to carry the card. Not that it's that heavy. It's a little heavy. So, what you are greeted with when you open it is this foam layer. We have this AORUS envelope, which has warranty, registration information here. Nothing on the back of it. Then we have whatever sheet this is. Both sides of it. Those are the only two things in the envelope. Close it back up. Underneath this phone, we have the figure that you obviously pay $2,500 for, not the card. The card's worthless. It's all about this figure here. He appears to have a rubber band around him. It says XTREME on his shoulder plate. Head is movable about that much. Legs do not move. Arms do move, but are in place. Wings are rubbery, but I do not believe they move. So, overall, that is the figure. Loose joints. Then we have, of course, I'll take you in there for a better look, the case badge, which ours is bent, which is lovely. Perhaps you will have better luck. We'll leave that there. Then we have the card. An anti-static bag, of course, or static certificate. I don't believe there's anything under that. So here's the card itself. The card that everyone wants. The RTX 3090. Try and give a good enough look within the bag, and then we go ahead and take the bag off. Looks like it's got all its covers for HDMI, DisplayPort, etc. Nice heat sinking. 3 8-pin connectors, because fuck NVIDIA's 12. That's routing. We've got the cutout towards the end of the card. Interesting how there's screw holes on the back of the card. There's about 4. There should also be a screen right about here, which you can't really see too well within the packaging. I'm going to attempt to peel the Gigabyte tape without missing anything. It appears to peel, surprisingly. And it peels that easily, and you could just stick it back on. Wow. Tape is useless. Let's have a look inside. Tons of scratches along this piece here. That better be a protective coating. As you can see, there's a lot of scratches on that. I believe it's a coating. I'm not going to try peeling it, but it has a lot of scratches on that. Let's see, OC silent. Just taking a good high resolution look at the card here. I'll upload this one first, that way we can see it. Speck of dust. That is hardly, like, doesn't want to leave. Interesting. This is lights, I assume. Our PCIe slot looks good, not bent or anything. We've of course got the peely stuff on the heatsink, and yes, we can see that there is the screen under there. Nice exposed fins, so it's not going to be ushering all of it out here. It's just kind of blowing all throughout the case, which is fine, of course, because in the Cosmos we have bonkers airflow, so that's perfectly fine. Let's see, is it on gaming OC is where the switch is at right now, not silent, of course. That cable right here looks like that was pinched. Yeah, see that pinch right there? It's not bad, but yeah, that was definitely pinched by something. So it looks as though our heat sinks top out right about here, but yet we have that much extra just for the fans, I assume. Overall, very interesting. This fan connector kind of jumbled up. And we've also got some movement. See how that's starting to kind of almost cut into the cables there? That's some interesting design. Like, that's kind of sketchy in my opinion. Let me take off our PCIe slot cover. That looks really nice. I don't see any damage to those at all. That looks really good on that side too. I'll put this back on. So from this side, the AORUS. And yes, that one spins differently. That's on purpose. Overall, I guess the card looks good. We've got connectors on each of the HDMI ports. I will take them off, that way we can get a good look on the pins. So of course this card has 3 HDMI and 3 DisplayPort, which is a nice amount of I/O. That is a very angry burp in the background. I'm going to go ahead and put the covers back in. And now the HDMI. Overall, looks good. I'm going to set it right there, take another picture. And I'll put it back in its case. Which can be done like that. Put the GIGABYTE tape right back on like that, and no one even knows if you opened it. Figure right there. Seal everything back up for now. Yeah, that seal is kind of weird on this side. I don't really like that seal. I'll just press the dirty tape back down. There we go. Yeah. So unboxing of the AORUS RTX 3090 Extreme. Strongest card on the planet at the moment, of course.